I'm going to review Lhanel Fit's Pilates Reformer Board. Lhanel Fit's Pilates Reformer Board is a piece of fitness equipment designed for Pilates exercises, offering a range of resistance levels and positions to enhance workout routines. Reviewers often highlight the board's space-saving design, making it a good option for home gyms or smaller spaces. Many users appreciate the adjustable resistance bands that allow them to tailor workouts to their fitness level. It can be used for a variety of Pilates exercises, helping users improve core strength, flexibility, and posture. Several reviewers mention the sturdy construction, making it a reliable long-term investment. Some users appreciate that the reformer board is easy to set up and disassemble. A few advanced users mention that the resistance levels might not be challenging enough for more intense workouts. While compact, taller individuals have noted that it might feel too small for their full range of motion. Lhanel Fit's Pilates Reformer Board is praised for its compact design, adjustable resistance, and versatility, making it ideal for home use. However, it may be pricey, and some advanced users find the resistance insufficient for more intense workouts.